You shouldn't have done that. If I told you once, I told you 3 times that you get your punishment when you show me your crimes. And it's not a spell or a curse you put on me. The way you make me smile so tenderly. How I wish it was a temper you were throwing. Damn you for being so easy going on. I thought the town would tell. My sins would provoke you to raise some hell. Not a chance. And whatever happened to fiber romance? How I wish it was those dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easy. Why'd you do that? Why'd I do what? I haven't done anything, I'm just standing here. Oh, but that's just it. Why'd you have to go ahead and do nothing? I thought the time would tell. My sins would provoke you to raise some Don't give me that line, don't try to tell me that inaction's not a crime. Can't you see what kind of seeds you're sowing? Damn you for being so easy going.